Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hubstaff. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get into Hubstaff. How do you actually go ahead and sign up for it? Now with Hubstaff, all you need to do is simply enter your work email and then create an account. They do have a 14-day free trial where no credit card is required, and you can cancel anytime. So after you sign up using your email, you're going to be sent an email in which you just need to confirm your email. And then you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Next, you're going to click on Create Organization. So let's actually go ahead and enter an organization name here. And then we'll just enter a random website here. Click on Next. Then it's going to ask you to send an invite to your team. So if you know your team members' emails, you can send them as here. You could also invite them as a user or manager. But this is the invite link to invite them to your organization. Then click on Get Started. So afterwards, you need to choose the plan that's right for you. And so there is a free 14-day free trial. So if you're not sure, you can start your trial and pick it up later. But here you can see that there's a $4 per seat plan, $7 per seat plan, $10 per seat plan, and a $25 per seat plan. But we're just going to click on pick a plan later, and we're just going to start our free trial. So there you have it, guys. That right there is how to go ahead and sign up for Hubstaff. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.